Hello kids! Today we're going to draw this cute Halloween picture together. Halloween is a fun holiday celebrated on October 31st. On this night, kids dress up in funny or spooky costumes and go door to door to collect lots of candies. People decorate with smiling orange pumpkins, cute ghosts, and little spiders. Are you ready? Let's get started and draw this smiling ghost and little bat step by step. First, let's draw a funny little bat. Start with a circle for the bat's head and a small oval for its body. Now, let's add its pointy ears. Next, draw its big wings that are spread out and then add its tiny feet. For our bat's face, let's draw big eyes, a little nose, a happy mouth, and those tiny bat fangs. Our bat is ready! Now, let's move on to drawing a funny ghost. Start by drawing a circle for the ghost's head. Then add wavy lines under the circle, so it looks like our ghost is floating. Now, let's erase the extra line. Draw two big eyes and a smiling mouth. Now, add two little hands on the sides. Halloween wouldn't be complete without a pumpkin. Let's draw a cute pumpkin between our ghost hands. Start with an oval in the middle of the picture between the ghost's hands. Add a few curved lines around it to shape the pumpkin. Draw a small stem on the top of pumpkin. Now, let's erase the extra line. For the pumpkin's face, draw two triangle eyes, a triangle nose, and a big smiling mouth. Let's make our ghost even more magical with a wizard's hat. Draw a curved line for the hat's brim. Let's erase the extra line. Draw a curved line, then add a rectangle-like shape and a pointy top for the head. Add a small square in the middle of the head to make it fancy. Let's create a Halloween background too. For more fun, let's add some candies, lollipops, and the cute spider. Draw a rectangle for the ground and add some trees and bushes. A smiling ghost with a purple hat in the spooky woods. Imagine that, a little bat right by its side, laughing with a grin so wide. A pumpkin with a happy face. In the ghost hands it finds its place. Its eyes are triangles, its mouth is too. A friendly face just for you. Candy and sweets all around. Kids knock on doors all over town. Trick or treat, they happily say, spreading joy on Halloween day. Da-da-da-da! Now it's coloring time. Start by coloring the bat with dark color. Then color the ghost and its magical head. Make the pumpkin orange and color the candies and lollipops in bright, fun colors. Finish it by coloring the background with darker shades to make it look spookier. Halloween is like a mini adventure where everyone gets a little spooky but has lots of fun at the same time. Share this cute Halloween drawing with your friends and have a fantastic time!